So we've made a lot of progress since the last video. It's Dwight Jr here with Cliffs Construction. Back at our 2 new builds downtown, we finally got the exterior painted on both houses. And you can really see the siding schemes really kind of pop out at you. So we got board and batten on here on the corner house, board and batten here on the front, with straight edge shaker up top. The straight edge has been accented with our gold accent color, and the front door will be that same color. We haven't painted that yet, but it will be painted here soon. Then on the second house, we got a green and white color scheme, and it's just board and batten in the gable end. So it's a little different, couple of different schemes here just to kind of differentiate them a little bit. And so let's go ahead and kind of walk up and kind of take a tour through both of them and kind of see the progress that we made. Really, if we walk through one, we walk through both of them. Which one do y'all want to do, the green house or the gray house? Y'all tell me now. All right, we're gonna do the gray house. Let's do it. So we just got here into really the living room of the house here on the corner. Made a lot of progress again, as I mentioned earlier. We finally got base trim installed, door casing installed. All of our interior doors are installed. And so really, if I had to put a number to our progress, we're probably around 80 to 85% done. We finally got paint on the wall. You can see we got a couple blemishes that we've kind of fixed and gone over. So what we did is when we're putting in flooring, we'll wait to do our touch-ups, and that's what you kind of see right now. We got our touch-ups on the wall. We finally got paint. We got some temporary lighting as well. And so there's still some progress to be made. We finally got cabinets set. Yeah, so lots of progress. We got tile in the bathrooms. It's kind of dark in there, so it's kind of hard to see. But I will make sure that we catch that on the final walkthrough. Some of the finishes are kind of hard to see right now because it's so dark in here. We only got temporary construction lighting up, but you may be able to see that we have the LVP flooring here in the main area. So we'll do LVP flooring in the main areas, the common areas, so that really it's resilient flooring, so that when you have guests over, they spill things, you know, it's an easy cleanup. You have family and friends over, it's an easy cleanup. And then in the bathrooms, we have tile flooring, and in the bedrooms, we always do carpet. And so cabinets should be coming in here in the next week or so, so we're waiting on those. And so, man, we're right there at it. So stay tuned. As you know, more coming soon.